What's the meaning of carbonic acid? Carbonic acid. Carbonic acid.
Carbonic acid. Carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is a weak acid that forms when carbon dioxide dissolves in water. It can be represented by the chemical formula H2CO3. In nature, it plays an important role in regulating the pH of various systems, including the oceans and the human body. It is also responsible for the fizziness of carbonated drinks. However, excessive consumption of carbonated beverages can lead to dental erosion and other health problems. Overall, carbonic acid has both beneficial and potentially harmful effects depending on the context in which it is found.